All right, the latest on DU's FIUP program, which has turned controversial. All India Students Association members are staging protests right now outside the HRD ministry. There's been a dispute over the Delhi University's four-year undergraduate program, which has left thousands of students confused and absolutely uncertain about their future in college admissions in Delhi University. Pictures coming in of protest that is being staged by All India Students Associations at the HRD ministry. Well, Mausami, in fact, is joining us live. Mausami, just take us through the latest as far as top-level meetings are concerned. The UGC, as we understand, is currently waiting for the DU Vice Chancellor to get back to them.
That's right, Ruchika. Afternoon is the deadline that the UGC has set up for itself to react to Delhi University's attitude and response towards this entire controversy. If you look at the FIUP program, there has been a tussle between the UGC and the Delhi University Vice Chancellor over scrapping of this entire program, with the UGC issuing directives to the Vice Chancellor to scrap the program, and also issuing letters to the principals of various colleges saying that this program should be scrapped. But if you look at the Delhi University's attitude, Vice Chancellor's attitude, there has been silence on the other side, and the students' organizations have been camping outside Shastri Bhavan protesting, while hectic meetings have been taking place inside Shastri Bhavan at the Ministry of HRD, with the HRD Minister herself meeting UGC officials, meeting officials of the HRD ministry right in the morning. And we had a word with the UGC chairman as well, and he said that he is waiting for the afternoon, and he would only see how we could proceed in this entire controversy after what the Delhi University has to say on this issue. So hectic parleys, hectic meetings, and the entire issue blowing out of proportion a little, with the students' organization also blocking gates at the Shastri Bhavan.
But as far as direct intervention of the HRD ministry is concerned, it seems the HRD ministry doesn't want to directly intervene. It wants the UGC as well as the DU to come at some sort of a consensus, considering the shoddy manner in which FIUP was rolled out, and now a sudden purge from the UGC as it's demanding this to be scrapped almost in a day's time.
See, Ruchika, there has been a lot of politics as far as this program is concerned. If you look past 1 year when this program was introduced, the HRD minister himself had batted for this program, and the DU Vice Chancellor had in fact mooted for this program, and had said that this was actually a program that would set the Delhi University's education standards higher and in tandem with the international standards. And the UGC had supported this program, but there is a U-turn by the UGC over this program as soon as the NDA government has come into power. It's just about a month, and the NDA in its manifesto had stated that they would scrap this program. So it is, if we say that, a lot of politics into the entire tussle between UGC and the Delhi University, then it will be and thereafter, as the UGC has been pressurizing the Delhi University to scrap this program, even as we say that the Delhi University is an autonomous body, its decisions are its own, and the UGC can interfere only to a certain extent, while the ministry maintains, highly placed sources say, that the UGC's orders should be followed by any university that comes under the UGC.
Mausami, many thanks for joining us. Let's hope there's a breakthrough soon, considering the uncertainty that now surrounds admissions into Delhi University. Well, a crucial meeting of the Executive Council of the DU on the four-year undergraduate program in Delhi University now stands cancelled. But in what could, in fact, comes a breakthrough is the intervention of the HRD minister, who earlier held a meeting with UGC officials to resolve the stalemate over admissions in Delhi University and its affiliated colleges under the controversial FIUP. The face-off between the UGC and the DU has led to some of its affiliated colleges to defer their admission process till this issue is resolved. The cut-off list for admissions in various Delhi University colleges is out, but in view of the latest developments, the admission process could be delayed by about a week or two. In a directive issued on Sunday, the UGC warned the Delhi University that any deviation from its order will have serious consequences. Most affected are the students, with over 2.5 lakhs who have applied for first-year program. They have been demanding that four-year program be scrapped altogether. Meanwhile, All India Students Association and other student bodies were protesting in the capital against the four-year undergraduate program. The students have been asking the Delhi University to scrap this course and take transfer.
The Delhi University Vice Chancellor has crossed swords with the UGC over the four-year undergraduate program, and the struggle is now out on the streets with ISA protesting right outside Shastri Bhavan. There is an important meeting that is going on inside with the HRD Minister meeting UGC officials, but the ISA has said that they would go and appeal to the HRD Ministry to scrap the four-year undergraduate program. And not only that, the directive that has been issued by the UGC to the principals of various colleges should be implemented. We have with us Sucheta, official of the ISA. What is the meaning of the protest here and what do you aim?
Look, I mean, the situation right now in Delhi University is so very chaotic. Here is a Vice Chancellor who says that I am going to defy UGC order, I am going to defy the national policy on education, and he is saying that I am right, let the national education policy change. And the way he has been acting for last 1 year, I mean, there has been a popular dissent against FIUP. The students have said so many times. I had organized a referendum. 91% students have voted against it. The DUTA has been speaking against it. But
don't you think that this is more of a matter of politics now, with ego clashes between the UGC and the Delhi University Vice Chancellor? Because there has been a lot of political pressure from the NDA government to scrap FIUP.
Where is the political pressure? That is what we are saying. I mean, there is no time right now to say that there is a political pressure. There is no time for lip service anymore, because 60,000 students are going to come, and BJP government must end its lip service and must intervene now. When will it act otherwise? So that is why we are demanding that the President of India, who is the visitor of the university, must immediately intervene and annul all the ordinances regarding FIUP.
So you see the students' organizations actually coming out in protest. A few days back, the NSUI had protested against the HRD minister, and the battle is being heated up in this entire situation when the admissions are right on the cards. The list was supposed to be out, and the Stephens College has held back its list for the four-year undergraduate program. It doesn't seem this matter would end soon. With camera person Ravi Khan, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for Headlines Today.
All right, so that was the UGC chairman. Let's in fact go across to my colleague Rishika Barua, who's now tracking this story. We saw the HRD minister step in. She had that high panel meeting this morning. What exactly is going to be the likely course, considering UGC is in fact the supreme body? It's the one who gives the funds to central universities. Is there really a choice for Delhi University?
Well, it doesn't appear to be so, Ruchika, because all the forces, including the UGC, seem to be, whether it's the student bodies or the teachers bodies or the UGC, they all seem to be, supporting the fact that the FIUP should be scrapped. Now, this was a contentious decision that was taken in the first place, with the Delhi University, having said that, has been pretty adamant on its stand. And while, there are high-level meetings that are likely to be taking place today between the UGC and the Delhi University, it remains to be seen what really comes out of it, because the final call will be taken by the Vice Chancellor. But the important point here, and I'd like to bring in Amrish, who is from the National Students Union. Amrish, the important point here is that there is so much ambiguity in the admission process. The student seems to be suffering.
No, there is no ambiguity, because UGC has clearly defined that all the colleges and VC just take it admission as a 3-year course. Now Vice Chancellor creating a lots of confusion. So now the situation is, we are not here for rollback of FIUP. Now the situation is when Vice Chancellor is going to resign on the post, because he have lost their authority within the student community.
So rollback of FIUP, as you can see, is pretty much taken for granted as far as the students in the university are concerned. They are demanding the resignation, sir. I have with me also the Vice President of the Delhi University Teachers Association. So you have been protesting against the FIUP program for over a period of a year. So this is a vindication of your stance. But what are you hoping to see that will come out by the end of today?
आज पूरे विश्वविद्यालय के लिए काफ़ी खुशी की बात है कि क्योंकि जिस तरीके से इस विश्वविद्यालय में 4-year प्रोग्राम को इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया अनडेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से, राष्ट्र की जो नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है उसको फॉलो ना करते हुए ना यूजीसी से कंसल्ट किया गया, ना एचआरडी मिनिस्ट्री से कंसल्ट किया गया, ना किसी इस कोर्स की कैबिनेट से किसी तरह की अप्रूवल ली गई। तो जिस अनडेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से देश के अंदर ये प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया और आज उसको स्क्रैप करना सबसे बड़ी दिल्ली।
So, Ruchika, the important point here is that people over here have in fact taken it as a given that the four-year undergraduate program is not going to be, in practice when it comes down to admissions, which are supposed to be beginning tomorrow. I'm standing under the arts faculty in the University of Delhi, and if you can just see behind me, students have gathered here in large numbers. The protests slowly have turned into a kind of celebration. There were firecrackers just a couple of minutes ago right behind me, and there was an entire cloud of smoke. So, as far as the decision is concerned, the Union HRD Minister playing it very smart, saying that this is a decision that the UGC has taken and she's not going to be interfering at this point in time. But obviously, hectic parleys are on between the Delhi University and the University Grants Commission, and we're hoping that all ambiguity will be laid to rest by the end of today, because at the end of the day, it's the student, whose life is at stake and whose future is at stake over here.
Well, absolutely, students caught in a bind there, but questions will certainly be asked to the UGC as well. Why exactly has it woken up to the FYUP mess exactly a year after it was rolled out? Rishika, we'll have to leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us.